this thing on. Hello? Hi. Hello. My name is Margaret. And, I never made a YouTube or anything like that before, so I don't know what I'm doing right now. But I think that the camera's on. Yes. The camera's recording. My name is Margaret. Excuse me. I'm the smoker for 42 years. And I usually say don't smoke, or you'll end up like me, but if you smoke with me, we can have a good time. That's all up to you, though. So, I'm a widow. My husband, Elmer, passed away. And first off, I want to say that I'm not your usual grandma. Because I know how to have fun. And, yeah, I drink and I smoke and I get out and I have fun. I bet your grandma just sits at home knitting. But I ain't even a grandma. I have no grandkids. Which is kind of a good thing, because I'm a bad influence. I'm a very bad influence. But, you know, like the other day, actually, last week, I was out on the town with a couple of my girlfriends, you know, me and Betty. We were, out on the town. I just got myself a perm. I just got myself a nice perm. And we were out on the town. And we went to this club. There was some guy out there talking about, Grandma, what you doing in this club? And I'm like, boy, you ain't going. You best not be talking to me. Because you must not know who I am. I said, I'm Margaret. They call me the Grits. Anyway, so I was out on the town, and he said, well, damn, Grandma, you can work it. He was a little drunk, so, I took advantage of him later that night anyways. He was about 25, I assume, 25, 26. Anyways. So then, we get back to his apartment, and he's all like, yo, Margaret, you want to do a little X? And I was like, damn, boy, I haven't done X in a long-ass time. Like, it's been like 3 weeks or something, at least. So he gave me the pill, and I popped that bitch. And it was damn good. I was getting all, woo! And then that's when we got it on. I pulled out my dildo. And then I was getting, between you and me, I was feeling a little freaky that night. So I was like, I don't want this dildo for me. I think that you should let me shove it in your ass. And you know what? He was all high on X. So he was like, damn, alright. And then the next day, he went to the doctor. And he called me, and he's pissed off at me now, because I gave him AIDS. That's not my damn fault. I'm sorry. I let one of my friends borrow it. I forgot that she had AIDS. So now I can't use it. But anyways, he got AIDS in his ass. And now he's pissed off at me. But it's not my damn fault. It was my friend that used it, and I forgot the bitch had AIDS. But anyways, that was just one of my crazy nuts. But, next time, I'll tell you about the time. There's another time. Oh, man. There's so many stories. So many damn stories. But, I'll save that for next time. Right now, this is Margaret signing off. Oh, well. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. How the fuck do you turn this damn thing?